Next, we discuss a problem or example. So that the functions which is mod x in open interval -1 to 1 and 0 elsewhere is possible PDF. Find the corresponding distribution functions. First we show this is PDF, means probability density functions, and second question is find distribution functions. So PDF is given by, we prove this is the PDF or probability density function. So let PDF is small fx, that PDF is mod x when x takes value -1 to 1, mod x when x takes value, x belongs to -1 to 1 and 0 otherwise. First show this is the PDF. In our previous class I told that the necessary conditions for fx small fx to be PDF of x is fx greater than equal to 0 and minus infinity to infinity fx dx equal to 1. This is two necessary conditions of fx to be a PDF or probability density functions of x. So we prove these two conditions. We will prove these two conditions. From the expression of fx means small fx and 0, small of x, mod of x and 0, clearly this is greater than equal to 0, since mod of fx always greater than 0, always greater than equal to 0, and this is also 0. So clearly fx greater than 0 by definition of x, by definition of fx, by definition means this, by definition or by expression of fx, since fx means mod x is always greater than equal to 0 and this is also 0, so small fx greater than equal to 0. So this condition is satisfied. Second conditions, we will prove this integration equal to 1. Now minus infinity to infinity fx dx, sorry, this is dx equal to 1, minus infinity to infinity fx dx, we have to show that minus infinity to infinity fx dx equal to 1. Okay, now minus infinity to infinity fx dx, if we break the mod of fx means mod of x means it takes value minus x when x less than 0 and it takes value plus x when x greater than equal to 0. Okay, and from in our questions mod x means minus x when -1 less than x less than 0 and it takes value plus x when 0 less than x less than 1, since the interval is -1 to 1. So this is the mod of fx in our problem, minus x when -1, since this interval -1 to 1, so it takes value -1 less than x less than 0 and it takes value plus x when 0 less than x less than 1 and 0 to 0 otherwise. Okay, so minus infinity to infinity means minus infinity to -1 fx, we break the integration, minus infinity to -1 fx dx plus -1 to 0 fx dx plus 0 to 1 fx dx plus 1 to infinity fx dx. In this interval -1 to minus infinity to -1, fx takes value 0. It only takes value mod x in this interval, so it takes value 0. This is 0, and also this interval 1 to infinity fx takes value 0. Okay, it takes value 0. So these terms are cancelled, these terms are cancelled. So -1 to 0, -1 to 0, -1 to 0, fx takes value minus x, fx takes value minus x into dx, and from 0 to 1 fx takes value x, 0 to 1 fx takes value x dx. So after calculations, this means minus x square by 2 -1 to 0 plus x square by 2 0 to 1. If we put this value, upper limit here 0 0 minus means plus 1 1 by 2, sorry 1 by 2, here 1 by 2 minus 0. So this is 1. So we prove that minus infinity to infinity fx dx equal to 1. So two conditions are satisfied, fx less greater than equal to 0 and infinity 1. So this is the probability density functions. Okay, next we find probability distributions functions. Here fx is mod x, given that fx is mod x when x belongs to -1 to 1 and 0, otherwise we break, that is fx means minus x when -1 less than x less than 0, it takes value x, when 0 less than x less than 1 and 0, otherwise. We write this part mod x. Okay, this we draw a figure, draw a line. This is minus infinity, this is -1, this is 0, this is 1, this is infinity. Okay, this breaking point -1 0 and 1, -1 0 1. So second part, we find distribution functions. The relation between distribution function and PDF is fx equal to -infinity to x ft dt, where capital Fx is the distribution functions and small f is probability density function or PDF. Now we consider 4 cases. First cases, when x less than equal to -1, when x belongs to this interval, when x less than equal to this x less than equal to -1. Okay, in this interval when x less than equal to -1, in this interval fx takes value 0. So fx means ft. When x less than equal to -1 means when x less than this interval, in this interval fx or ft takes value 0. Okay, so here fx, capital Fx is 0, since integration of 0 means 0. Second case is when 1 less than x less than equal to 0, when x lies between this interval. Okay, when -1 less than x less than equal to 0, in this case fx equal to -infinity to x ft dt. When x lies this interval, so we break it minus infinity to minus 1, minus infinity to minus 1, since minus infinity to x or x lies between this interval, so minus infinity to 1 and minus 1 to x, ft plus minus 1 ft dt plus minus 1 to x ft dt. Minus infinity to minus 1, in this interval ft also takes value 0, so this is 0, so integration of this 0 is 0, plus in this interval minus 1 to x, and x lies between this interval, so minus 1 to these intervals, one some points in this interval, fx takes value minus x. Okay, so minus 1 to x minus x, minus fx takes value minus x, and ft takes value minus t. Minus x means minus t, since here fx is minus t dt. Okay, so minus 1 to x minus t dt. After calculations, this is half minus putting this upper limit and lower limit square by 2. This is the second case. Third case is when x lies between this interval 0 to 1, 0 less than x less than 1. In this case fx is minus infinity to x ft dt. Since x lies between this interval, so bracket summation minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to 0, 0 to x, minus infinity to minus 1 plus minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0 f plus 0 to x f dt. Okay, minus 1, minus infinity to minus 1, in this interval f takes value 0, minus 1 to 0, f takes value minus x, and this interval 0 to x, x means x lies between this interval, so in this interval f takes value x, so we put this value, this is 0, so this is 0 means integration of 0 is 0, plus minus 1 to 0, if ft takes value minus t, minus 1 to 0 minus t dt, plus 0 to x, fx takes value x, here fx means ft, so fx it is takes value t dt 0 to x. Okay, after calculation we get half plus x square by 2. Fourth case is when x lies between this interval 1 less than equal to x less than plus infinity, so here fx is minus infinity to x ft dt. Since x lies between this interval, so we break it summation minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, and 1 to x, minus infinity to 0 f, sorry, minus infinity to minus 1 plus minus 1 to 0 f, 0 to 1 plus 0 to 1 f, and plus 1 to infinity plus 1 to infinity f dt. Minus infinity to minus 1, f takes value 0, this is into this part of this part is 0, minus 1 to 0, it takes value minus x, here fx is ft, so it takes value minus t interval, this interval minus 1 to 0, and this interval f takes value t, 0 to 1, f takes value t, and this interval 1 to infinity it takes value 0, so this terms is cancelled, so these two terms and these terms is cancelled, so this is 0, so we get minus 1 to 0 minus t of dt plus 0 to 1 t of dt. So after calculation we get half plus half equal to 1. So hence in this case fx is 0, means distribution function is 0. Second case distribution function is half of minus of half x square by 2, and third case is distribution function is half plus x square by 2, and fourth case is 1. So hence distribution functions is fx equal to 0 when x less than equal to minus 1, when x less than equal to minus 1, and this is half minus x, this is half minus x square by 2 when minus 1 less than x less than equal to 0, and this is half plus x square by 2, half plus x square by 2 when x lies in this interval 0 less than x less than equal 0 less than x less than 1. So 0 less than x less than 1, and this is 1 when x lies between this interval minus 1 less than x less than infinity. This is the required probability distribution functions. Okay.